Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the third trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is HCL Technology because company posted the quarter 4 number with 8.1% increase in the consolidated net profit at 4,307 crores for the March quarter 2024-25. If we look at the revenue of the company, it is reported at 30,246 crores. EBIT is again reported at 5,442 crores and margins are reported at 18% versus 19.5%. The next stock which you need to look at is Cyient DLM, where company's net profit is reported at 31 crores. Revenue is reported at 428 crores. EBITDA is again reported at 57.3 crores and margins are reported at 13.4% versus 10.5%. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is AU Small Finance Bank because company's gross NPAs are reported at 2,477 crores. Net NPAs are reported at 791 crore, and if you look at the company's net NPA, it is reported at 0.4% versus 0.91% on quarter basis, and gross NPAs are reported at 2.28% versus 2.31% on quarter basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Tata Communication, where the company's net profit is reported at 1,040 crores. Revenue is reported at 5,990 crores versus 5,645 crores, and EBITDA is reported at 1,122 crores on Y&Y basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Ashoka Buildcon because construction engineering company said it has secured a 568 crore contract from Central Railway for a gauge conversion project between the Pachora and Jamner in Maharashtra. The company confirmed the receipt of the letter of acceptance for the engineering procurement and the construction contract. The project involved constructing earthwork, major and minor bridges, road under bridges, permanent way work and the associated civil infrastructure as well. The next stock which you need to look at is Havells India because consumer electrical goods maker reported a 15.73% increase in the consolidated net profit to 517 crores for the March quarter. If you look at the revenue from operation, it is also up by 20.24% to 6,543 crores in March quarter, and it was 5,442 crores in the corresponding period of the last fiscal year. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is Mahindra Finance, where the company net profit is reported at 563 crores and net interest income of the company is reported at 2,151 crores versus 1,919 crores on Y&Y basis. The next stock is Ambuja Cement because company completes the acquisition of 46.66% stake of the Orient Cement. The next stock which you need to look at is Varun Beverages because company start commercial production of the carbonated soft drinks, juice-based drinks and the packaged drinking water at Prayagraj plant. The next stock which you need to look at is today's trading session is Delta Corp because company net profit is reported at 164 crores. Revenue is reported at 182 crores. EBITDA is reported at 42.5 crores and margins are reported at 23.7% versus 26.1% on Y&Y basis. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.